Every project organization should start managing their pipeline of projects. Make it part of the New Year's resolution, make it part of the improvement strategy or whatever. It is more important than ever before. Why? Because project organizations are more complex and more hectic than ever before. The pressure to improve is immense. And you need to have a kind of a system to keep overview and to stay in control when all those projects move across the organization. For knowing what commitments you can make, for when capacity is available, for making forecasts, to alert when projects are at risk or when everything gets stuck, to know what to do. Well, when you think this is important, then hit the like or subscribe button, because that makes it more easy for others to find this video as well. I hope you want to do that for us. Well, you might have also questions when watching this video, and then leave a note in the comments below. Well, there is another reason for managing the pipeline of projects. Organizations grow productivity by 20 to 50% just by starting to manage their pipeline. And this is amazing. If you can sell this, it is worth millions. You might have been involved in setting up a pipeline before, and then you know how easy it is to get swamped. The complexity, all the details, to unravel everything and all the dependencies. So when this is still on your bucket list, or when it is back on again, then this might be something to consider. This is what we did for a high-tech company with 130 projects on their backlog, many of them stuck in the process. This helped them to get those projects moving again and to boost their productivity by 63% in about 2 months. It is amazing how quickly they picked it up. And when you think this is very difficult to get started, then you're wrong. Setting up a project pipeline is as simple as filling out a couple of spreadsheets for analyzing the bottlenecks and for setting up the roadmap. You even don't need detailed plans or accurate estimates. Managing the pipeline is as simple as moving projects across a dashboard. That is enough progress information. Knowing what's happening, knowing what to do is as simple as looking at the colors or where projects are on the dashboard. Giving a forecast or knowing what you can commit to is as simple as reading the charts or the roadmap. Maybe this is just the kind of tool you're looking for. You might think this all will get immense complex when resources are shared across projects or when resources are shared across pipelines. You might have experience in how hard it is to get everything aligned and to keep everything synchronized. But the truth about this pipeline manager is that it enables you to manage pipelines independent of each other, each on their own dashboard, even when resources are shared across projects and pipelines. Because this pipeline manager learns from how the projects move across the board to synchronize the availability of people. The more projects get completed, the more reliable it gets. So when this is still on your list, then you might give this a try. What I'm curious about is the questions that you have about pipelines and what your experience is with it, or what you need to get started. Leave your questions in the comments field below. So let's recap. In 2020, every project organization should start managing their pipeline of projects. You need to have a system to get in control and to stay in control that can handle the complexity of today's project organizations. And pipelines are the recipe for that, and also to boost project performance by 20 to 50%. And these are not even the high runners. My name is Jan van Egmond. I'm project management hacker, because there are better ways that are easy to learn and easy to use. When you like this video, then hit the like button. And if you want to see more about this and learn more about new project management insights, then follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're ready to take the next step to start implementing the pipeline for your project or to help your clients with it, then contact me directly. Thanks for watching.